The art. VO, select your desired the fun part. Comes erever, OICE video tit securely and tie it string color edel. Unleash your creativity then, carefully weave it around the nails, following the pattern and design. You can experiment with different colors, create gradients, or even mix textures to add depth and visual interest to your artwork. Don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. Step 5. Adding the bold text overlay. Voiceover. To make your string art even more captivating, why not add a bold text overlay? Choose a meaningful word or phrase that resonates with you. Using a different color or thickness of string, spell out the text by wrapping it around the nails in a bold and eye-catching manner. This will add a personal touch and make your artwork truly unique. Outro. Upbeat music playing. Host. And there you have it, a beautiful transformation of a beginner's string art. We hope this video inspired you to unleash your creativity and dive into the enchanting world of string art. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and your imagination is the only limit. So, grab those materials, follow the steps, and create something extraordinary. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and tutorials. Until next time, keep expressing yourself through art. Closing visual showcasing the finished string art. Keywords. String art. Beginner's project. Unleash creativity. Transformation. Bold text overlay nail. One around with beginner's string art transformation. Video description. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a beginner's string art project and show you how to unleash your creativity by transforming simple materials into a stunning piece of art. With step-by-step instructions and helpful tips, you'll learn the basics of string art and be inspired to explore your own artistic ideas. Get ready to create something beautiful and discover the joy of expressing yourself through string art. Keywords. String art, beginner's project, unleash creativity, transformation, bold text overlay. Introduction. Background music playing. Host. Welcome back to the XYZ channel. Today, we have an exciting project lined up for all the creative minds out there. If you're a beginner looking to explore the world of string art and unleash your creativity, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step transformation of a beginner's string art, taking it to the next level. So, let's dive right in and unlock your creative potential. Engaging visuals showcasing different stages of string art. Voiceover. Voiceover. String art has always been a fantastic way to add a touch of artistic flair to any space. It's a captivating craft that combines geometry and creativity, resulting in stunning visual effects with just a few simple materials. Today, we are going to transform a beginner's string art into something truly remarkable. Get ready to let your imagination soar and create a unique piece that reflects your inner artist. Visual transition to the materials required for the project. Materials required. A wooden board or canvas. Nails. Hammer. Colored strings. Pencil. Template or design sketch. Scissors. Glue. Voiceover. Before we start, make sure you have all the materials handy. You can easily find these items at your local craft store or even repurpose items you have at home. Now, let's move on to the first step of our string art transformation. Engaging visuals showcasing each step of the process. Step 1. Preparing the board. Voiceover. Begin by selecting a wooden board or canvas. Sand it lightly to ensure a smooth surface for your string art. You can also choose to paint the board in a color that matches your desired design, allowing it to peek through the string patterns. Step 2. Design and template. Voiceover. Next, decide on a design or pattern for your string art. It could be a simple geometric shape or a more intricate pattern. Sketch the design lightly on the board using a pencil. For beginners, starting with a template can be helpful. You can find a wide variety of templates available online or create your own. Step 3. Placing the nails. Voiceover. Now, it's time to place the nails. Following the outline of your design, gently hammer the nails into the board at equal intervals. Ensure that the nails are firmly secured, leaving a small portion protruding from the surface, as this is where the string will be wrapped around. Step 4. Stringing.